Hi everybody, long time no see. It's my first real DIY video, I guess you can call it. And this isn't really something that I'm excited and proud to show you about, but this is called the red wine test. And you'll see why I'm brushing my teeth here in a second. I just brushed my teeth for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. Now I'm going to finish by brushing the inside of my cheeks, my tongue, the roof of my mouth. You'll see why I'm doing this in a second. Okay, so this is called the red wine test. I saw this on some BitSlide video I was watching yesterday, and the guy sounded a little nuts, so I thought, well, that's not going to really happen, but it happened this morning. I didn't brush my teeth yet, though, so I wanted to brush my teeth and see if it happens again the same way. So this isn't the best wine, but it's not super cheap. It's give a little promotion to. It's a head snapper from Mendoza, Argentina. It's a Malbec. I like it. It's a little dry, a little sweet. Okay, so you see that? Where am I at here? Okay, here we go. I can't find the camera. You see in there's a bunch of black stuff kind of assembling and hanging out there. Where'd this black stuff come from? What is this stuff? I just brushed my teeth and got all the slobber from the inside of my mouth, all the coating and stuff that happens. Oh, I don't like this camera. I don't know where it goes. Alright, I'm going to have to turn the camera around because I want you guys to see exactly what's happening here. I'm back. Here we go. So, as you can see, there's a bunch of black stuff in there. Not much what happens when I put some isopropyl alcohol in here. 90% isopropyl alcohol, also called surgical spirits. Never heard it called that before, but when I was watching the video yesterday, they called it surgical spirits, and I was like, well, what the heck's that? Isopropyl alcohol, that's all it is. This is really super interesting and scary, and who the hell knows what's going on. Let's do it. Do you see these things reacting like they're alive? Now, the person that I was watching the video of was attributing this to the heavy metals that we are poisoned with in the air, called chemtrails. And don't think I'm crazy because I'm talking about chemtrails. It's called stratospheric aerosol geoengineering. Look it up. It's where they put things in our air like strontium, bromium, barium, all the super harmful, toxic metals that humans are supposed to not get, such as aluminum, mercury, all that other stuff. For some reason, they've been putting this stuff in our fillings that go in our teeth for years. So, and I have a bunch, so I need to get rid of them. But why would they be spraying this in our air? Well, their solution to our sun problems, which I didn't know we had sun problems, is to block the sun with these chemical metals that they're spraying in our air. I did not consent to this. My tax money is paying for this. Your tax money is paying for this. Did you consent to this? Did you think it was a good idea to spray a bunch of poison toxic chemicals in our air and breathe them in and put them in our water system and put them on our plants and let our little babies breathe them in? Did anybody really think that was a good idea? Well, someone did, and they're supposedly the top paid scientists who are super educated. Yeah. okay.